Here you have visuals coming in right here of IAF plane carrying Indians from Kabul that's landed in Jamnagar. Over 100 Indians, including embassy staffers, returned from Kabul finally. Here are live visuals coming in of those visuals in Jamnagar, where you have about 120 Indians who are working in Afghanistan, who've now been evacuated and brought to India. Remember, you have thousands of Indians who are still present in Kabul and other parts of Afghanistan who are desperate to leave. Here are the embassy staffers who get preference. They have been airlifted there. The IAF aircraft has evacuated about 120 of them from the Kabul airport, and it's just touched down Jamnagar, Gujarat. Here are the visuals coming in, right? You see on your screens right here of the inside the airport, inside the airline itself, where you have about 120 Indians who were waiting to be evacuated finally reach home. Now, India Today journalist Kanika Gupta was part of the evacuees. She was on board IAF aircraft. She was really gives us a perspective of the whole experience there. What are the challenges, the problems that she and other fellow Indians had to face? Let's take a quick listen from Kanika herself.
There was definitely a lot of desperation. There was still huge throngs of people waiting outside the airport perimeter, hoping to get inside somehow. In fact, at one point when our convoy was trying to enter the airport, there was a lot of commotion of people who just sort of lined themselves along those cars and, waiting for the doors to open so they could just maybe run along with the convoy inside and maybe get on the plane. So there was a lot of desperation, and the Taliban had very seamlessly managed to kind of to safely give us passage into the airport, and they facilitated everything outside the perimeter. So they ensured that the crowds of people were safely dispersed, and they ensured that nobody got hurt in the process or nobody entered the airport, while this transition was happening from, before we entered. So it was quite smooth I think it was very smooth what happened.
I'd like to ask you did mention that the Taliban, of course, has taken over the airport. That's the initial reports that we got. You did mention that the Americans are now controlling the airport and ensuring evacuation process is smooth. Has there been a dialogue between the Americans and the Taliban that they will allow and ensure that evacuation process takes place entirely and then move out? Who's in control of the airport now?
Inside the airport, it is 100% the Americans and the Turkish. There is no Taliban presence inside.
Okay.
But outside of it, it is all being controlled by the Taliban. So it's so far they have not sort of crossed over to each other's territories. They are maintaining inside. They are maintaining outside. In fact, I think I saw the last batch of Americans leaving today. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen eventually. But I'm pretty sure that I saw the last batch leave today in the morning along with us.